Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm in Goa right now, and in this vlog I will tell you about Dr. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary, which is in Goa. So have fun guys. The environment is quite silent. What I really mean to say is that there is no noise, no disturbance. It is a very beautiful place for one to enjoy some peaceful time. You can see there is water all over the ground, and the plant, the roots of this plant has gone deeper. I have searched on Google about this, the wooden bridge, but unfortunately this is closed for maintenance and repair work. I really wanted to go in this, but can't help. So let's move on to the park. Crab sitting right here. Nice lovely crab. Take care of your babies, take care of yourself. Okay, so let us.
There's a lot of species here.
Okay.
So be careful.
Okay.
Don't touch any plants or any insects or something. Or don't enter the water.
So my friend basically Rahul. So my friend Rahul, he basically wants to say this, that this is a sanctuary, right? So anything can happen. Any wild creature can hunt you down, can bite you. Be aware. So guys, there are a lot of mosquitoes in this sanctuary, so I had to put on my shirt because they were biting me too much. So I have enjoyed this sanctuary a lot. This is very calm place to be in, and if you visit Goa, if you have some spare time of around 1 to 2 hours, please do visit this Dr. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary. This is such a nice place. Thank you guys.
Park मतलब?
And if you have been watching this video, please give a shout out to me, and please do subscribe, like and comment and share
चलो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ.
with your friends and family. Thank you.
ये इन लोगों को तो रोको यार.
Nice day. Thank you. रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं हो रहा था यार.
क्या यार भाई इतना बोल दिया तूने.